This is Victor Antonio, and welcome to my series titled Building a Sales Culture. Now, isn't that an interesting phrase? Sales culture. What does that mean? I often hear that phrase, we got to build a winning sales culture, got to have a great sales culture if we want to be successful as a corporation or a company. But what does that mean? A sales culture. Now, when I ask people this question, I usually get a lot of buzzwords, right? Trying to figure it out, a lot of ingredients, so to speak. And I hear words like, or phrases like, you got to be customer-centric if you want to have a great sales culture. You have to be results-oriented if you want to have a great sales culture. You have to be value-driven, best in class. That's what a sales culture is all about. Also, let's not forget our core values. We got to recognize our employees. We also have to be teamwork oriented. We also have to empower our people to make decisions. Now, when you hear these phrases, and I can go on and on, the list is just extensive. When I ask people, what does it mean? And see, this is what this series is about. I'm going to help you define what a sales culture is, but not by giving you more buzzwords, really, but giving you a framework for developing a sales culture, one that is oriented to win, but more importantly, one that is oriented to your style of management or how your company functions, because that's what we need to do. We need to align what we want as managers with our sales teams. If we can align our culture, so to speak, our understanding, our direction, where we're headed, how we're going to get there, if we can align ourselves using a framework, then everybody's on the same page. See, that's what building a sales culture is all about. Understanding how we want to form a team, how we want to work as a team, what we need to do to be successful, and then we all have to pull in the same direction. That's what this series is about. Again, I'm going to give you a framework for building a sales culture, one that you can use and share with your team. Are you ready? I hope so, because we're going to our first video where I'm going to define the first dimension of a great winning sales culture. Here we go.